Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the bonusclaimsnow.com $750 Amazon gift card. So right off the bat, we're going to say that this is a scam. So we have it here, I'll open up on malware tips. And it's very obvious, guys, that for some shady website to give you $750 Amazon gift card is too good to be true, and not even Amazon themselves give out that big of an gift card, since if they did to every single person, they would be out of stock or out of money. So as you can see right here, they go over, malware tips goes over how the scam works. So for example, the hook, like ads. Then step 2, personal information collection, which is the main goal of websites like these, to collect information about you and then sell them to other developers or other third-party companies. Step 3, to assign the assignment of flight verification and details, then progress bars and false success messages, and no delivery, just data and subscriptions, and long-term data and financial impact. So please, guys, do not enter in any information to this website. They're very obviously a scam. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.